They got that from a job they had. As a matter of fact,
What?
yep. The new installation, it got a paper sealing on it. So putting all this right here in.
What?
I thought I left nothing. I mean, it really hashed that up. So all this drywall and stuff, and then why they went with drywall right back here, knowing that they ain't gonna go. If you a drywall, you just gonna go all the way around. So how you gonna mud it up? Just one wall. What you gonna do to the other wall? And did it right. So my thing is to, and the board I'm talking about is, you don't have to worry about getting into a tight spot like cutting this big old piece thing out. If that thing come closer to that, the board ain't nothing but it's about this wide, about 6 inches. So every 6 inches you come up to whatever your designated spot is, you just cut that piece out and keep on going. So this thing is still hot. You got this light tied into that wire, which is posted in chandelier. And what else they got? I'm gonna run this plug. I'm gonna cut this out. Run this wire over here, feeding this. I know they got that main one screwed up. You don't think I can mess that out. That's just not.